Welcome back to 1 Minute Reviews. Today we got the 67 Austin Healy minivan. It's a British car. It's pretty nicely decaled, has the Hot Wheels logo right there, I think that's the Spanish flag, and yeah, the wheels roll nice, they're nice bearings in there. This is a scan. You can use that to get your own thing off the thing, and then, consumer information needs to be under 3 years old. But we're already 30 seconds in this review, so that's it. I have nothing else to say about this, but yeah. Here's another one of the new Hot Wheels. Pretty good. They're really good vehicles. I really like them. Up next to our next review, this is the Hanging Indian. That will be in our next review, not this review. And yeah, thanks for listening.